Welcome back. Today, we're going to learn how to write on a PDF file for free. Method 1, using the free JOPDF desktop program. Open JOPDF and import your document. Head over to the Edit tab at the top. If you want to change the text that's already there, click the Edit All option. Now, you can just click on any text box to delete, modify, or add text. Need to insert a brand new text box? No problem. Choose the Add Text option, click exactly where you want it to go, and start typing. If needed, you can highlight your text to change the font, size, color, and more. When you're happy with how it looks, hit the Save button, and that's it. As you can see, a professional program makes this job so much easier. Besides letting you write on PDFs, JOPDF offers a ton of other features like converting, compressing, merging, and annotating. If you need a reliable, all-in-one PDF tool, definitely give it a try. Method 2, using Microsoft Edge. Did you know your browser can do this too? Just open your PDF document in Microsoft Edge. Then, click the Add Text button at the top. Click to place your text box, start typing, and when you're done, simply hit Save. It's that easy. Method 3, using a free online tool. You can also use an online PDF editor to get the job done. Open your browser and go to an online editor, like I Love PDF. Upload your PDF, then click the Add Text button. A text box will appear for you to type in, and you can easily drag it to the right spot. Finally, click the Save Changes button and download the document straight back to your computer. To sum it up, if you just want to quickly add some new text, both Microsoft Edge and online tools are great, quick options. However, if you need to actually modify the existing text in your document, JOPDF is absolutely the way to go. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.